Okay, when it comes to file organization, I am really passionate about this because it has helped me stay organized, find things easier, faster. It's like a little time saver that will expedite all of your processes. So, on all of my hard drives, I have a folder template that's broken down like this, numbered 1 through 5 of exports, footage, sound effects, graphics, and the Premiere project file. So what I do is I organize them by year and by month by titling it the number of the month first so that it just goes in order. And then I paste my folder template into here. And when I import a new footage, I would categorize them by the types of, the type of camera or footage that it's coming from. Now, this SD card does not just have my most recent videos on it, so I'm going to find where my videos from today are. All right. And since I knew I used 2 cameras, I'm going to title this clip 1. Highlight all of the videos, drag them over, and then also find the raw photos that go with it. And I will create a new folder called raw. And I will also, because I recorded on a stereo device, I have another SD card. So I'm going to call this stereo for my audio, so that I have all of my footage organized into my footage folder. I won't make you watch this whole process when they transfer over, so pause momentarily. Okay, once all of my footage is organized and categorized and edited, check out my next video on how to start a Premiere project file and sequence. And let's just say all the videos are done being exported. What's great about organization is you can continue to do this for your clients. So what I recommend is a task management software. This is a free version called Asana. And what I do is I keep track of my clients and my work. So let's just call my own, well, this is my content. So marketing and marketing YouTube videos. So I know this month, March, these are my March videos. I'm going to right here in the description, write which hard drive it's on, so that if you're doing this for a client project, like I have some of my clients listed out here, I know which hard drive they're on, so that I can find, of course, these aren't actually labeled, but I do know where these are. On Joy. This one is on Goodness. So if you're ever like, oh, I just did another photo shoot or video shoot for, let's say, broken rib. Then you can find, oh, look, okay, it's on Faithful. So when you keep building your business and you keep having a lot of hard drives or places that you put footage, you'll know which hard drive that it's on and kind of the creative briefs. And then when you deliver videos to clients on Dropbox, it's also great to categorize them by year and by month and by the assets. So it just keeps everything on the same page. You're super organized from your internal system of your hard drive to your external of what the client will receive. So those are my organization tips. You can make these folders really simply, a folder template on your device, and just copy and paste it every time you have a new project. And I hope this helps. I help creative entrepreneurs scale their side hustle. If that's interesting to you, check out more videos on my channel.